Alright guys, this might be a little bit of a longer video, but just wanted to show y'all how to remove your decal and transfer tape from the backing paper so you can apply your decal a little easier. So I've had these rolled up just to kind of simulate them being in shipping. First thing you're going to want to do is take a credit card or a squeegee and smooth out the decal, make sure the transfer tape's sticking to the decal really well. Then you're going to want to basically pick the corner that you want to pull from. So for this one, it's got a lot of finer detail with the Spanish moss. So I'm going to want to stay away from picking up on a corner where I have to pick each of those individual pieces off. Whereas if I come from this way, the larger bulk of the tree will carry the Spanish moss with it. So we're going to start on this side, and we're going to actually pull the backing paper off of the transfer tape instead of the other way around. So you kind of will want to continue to fold this at 90 degrees, or I guess 180 degrees. And you'll kind of carry back on it, and if you have anything stick, which unluckily I'm not going to be able to show you that in that pull right there, you're just going to kind of press it down. Let me try another one. So this is a specialty color, so it might be a little harder to remove, and I'm not going to press it down beforehand. So you see how this piece right here is kind of sticking up? So if you're not careful, you're going to rip that if you just keep pulling on it. It's not stuck to the transfer tape. So what you want to do is not put your hand or anything on it, but you'll take your finger and kind of just press it onto the transfer tape like that and continue moving down. And each little piece like that, you want to keep re-adhering back to the transfer tape. So one of the big reasons this decal is doing this is because I did not use a squeegee or a credit card to re-adhere the transfer tape to the decal. But you're basically going to continue this all the way around. Another piece there, you're just going to take it and kind of push it back on. And you're ready to apply it.